Legislation requires employers to provide safe and suitable facilities for their workers. Everyone has a responsibility to maintain the state of these facilities by following basic health and hygiene rules. This Toolbox talk looks at the requirements for maintaining personal hygiene in the workplace as well as safe food handling. Personal hygiene means keeping yourself, your clothing and personal items clean. A high standard of personal hygiene is essential and is encouraged among all workers. Keeping yourself clean will help you feel better and will lower your risk of getting sick. Your friends, family and co-workers will also benefit by having you fit and healthy. Poor personal hygiene can result in the following consequences. You increase the risk of infection and disease for yourself and others. You have a higher chance of getting sick. You are more likely to spread germs, making others sick. People may avoid you because of your lack of personal hygiene. Good personal hygiene practices include the following. Wash your hands often, especially after using the toilet, before eating, after sneezing or coughing or after touching animals. Shower or bathe every day. Dry yourself thoroughly. Make sure you dry between your toes, underarms, in the groin area where moisture and warmth can create a haven for germs. Wash your hair regularly. Brush hair daily. Brush your teeth twice a day. Also brush inside cheeks and tongue. Replace your toothbrush every 2 to 3 months. Wear deodorant every day. Wear clean clothes and underwear. Washing your hands is the most important and effective method of preventing infection and the spread of dangerous germs. Dirty hands carry germs into your body if you bite your nails, put any part of your hands into your mouth or touch your eyes, ears or nose. Germs can spread rapidly where people are working closely. Washing your hands regularly and effectively can prevent infections being passed from person to person. Keep nails trimmed and clean. Good health and hygiene go hand in hand. Do not spit. Spitting in public can offend others and spread germs. Cover your cough. Coughing and sneezing spreads germs. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Put the tissue in the bin. Wash your hands. Personal hygiene requirements are particularly important when dealing with hazardous chemicals. Immediately clean areas of the body that come into contact with hazardous chemicals. Do not store, prepare or consume food in areas where hazardous chemicals are stored. Never decant hazardous chemicals into food or drink containers, use only authorized and labeled containers. Change and wash, or dispose of, clothing contaminated by hazardous chemicals. While most people understand the importance of keeping their homes clean, they are not always able to control the state of their work environment. Keeping your workplace clean is a team effort that is everyone's responsibility. Kitchen areas generally contain more germs than any other room, including washrooms and toilets. Make sure that all surfaces are clean and free of food scraps and crumbs. Keep all surfaces and equipment dry to help control the growth of moisture-loving bacteria like mold and mildew. Remove any materials that could attract mice or other pests. Do not leave food out to rot or decay. Put it in the correct bin. Clean all spillages with the appropriate equipment. Do not use the same cloth for washing plates and cutlery and wiping floors or other dirty surfaces. Clean as you go. Wash used utensils and return them to their correct location. Click each of the highlighted areas to learn more about food preparation and working in the kitchen. Prevention is better than a cure. Click the buttons to find ways to prevent spreading diseases. Health and safety is everyone's responsibility. Comply with all health and hygiene standards and requirements. Maintain a good standard of personal hygiene. Practice good housekeeping to help keep your workplace clean and hygienic. Handle and store food correctly. Report any health and hygiene issues immediately to your supervisor. There will now be a short quiz to test your understanding of this module. Poor personal hygiene can affect those you work with. Select true or false. Which of the following is not good personal hygiene practice? A clean and tidy workplace is not only more pleasant to work in, but also safer and healthier. Raw and cooked food must be stored separately. You must get 100% to pass this module. Please retry the assessment.